Hey guys, good morning, happy Sunday. Your baby is about to cook. I'm making rice and stew just the same way I made last week. The same fish too. Let me show you guys what I'll be using. I just woke up, like I literally just woke up and had to come out and make breakfast. Using this fish, you guys, you know this fish already now. This is the fish from last week. It's so huge. So this is the fish I'll be using. It's the fish is called mullet fish. That is what I'm going to use. Just the same way I did it last week. Now you guys saw last week. Yeah. Hope you guys are doing fine. Let me just start by prepping.
Then I could manage for money.
Hey guys, so what we have here is the fish. This thing you guys are seeing here is actually frozen onion that I had in the freezer. I can't wait for it to thaw, so I had to just throw it in here. And this is the fish and the spices. In here we have garlic, ginger, curry, thyme, mivina, kitchen glory, and I think, yeah, that's it, and salt and stock cube. So I'm not going to add another spices to my stew. I don't add spices inside the stew. I don't like the raw taste it gives. I prefer it with the stock that came from the fish or protein. So hence you guys are seeing that it's a lot. But trust me, once I finish cooking and everything, you're not even going to taste a lot of spice, because I really don't like too much spice in my stew. Hence I just want it to enter just the fish. Oh, guys, taking so much time. Are you hungry? You too. Right, you know the camera is there. Take a look here. Don't be a picture. Thank you.
Nothing's going out.
I'm going to buy bananas. Guys, oops, who is that? Not open again. I have videos I need to catch up with. This vlogmas is just so fun. Like, it's really fun. Lots of creators are posting. I'm watching. I have a lot I have to catch up with because really, what is this? This girl is so active. You see this girl, you think maybe she's very soft and cool. Renee is very active. Wait, Ryan. See what you do to your head. Renee is very active. You're eating now. What do you want?
She's going for a head.
Wait. Yes, sit. Okay. So there's this girl called Supple Chick on YouTube. I love her videos. She's so beautiful. She's a plus size. I love to watch plus size influencers now because I'm gearing towards plus size. Even if you guys say that I'm not plus size, I feel I'm plus size, or at least I'm a curve. Let me say a curve, but I just like to watch people that are like myself, you know. No need following people that, not like I won't follow people who are not plus size or curve girls and everything, but in terms of inspiration, I follow people who are like myself, who have the same body type or size or weight as me. So I watch her videos as well. Then I watch a lot of YouTubers. Like, what are the kind of videos you guys enjoy watching on YouTube? Is it just my kind of videos? Is it just vlogs? I also watch a lot of fashion videos, guys. I love fashion. I love hauls. That's why I'm trying to incorporate a lot of hauls into my videos, because I love hauls. I love to watch hauls. Have you not taken before? Hey guys, see what we're eating with this? We just got some banana. It's like a tradition. Let me know if you guys have that kind of tradition. I'm sorry if you hear any noise. Generator is on. Let me know if you guys have that kind of tradition that every Sunday you either have rice and banana or rice and plantain or rice with something. For us here, it's usually rice, banana, and drinks. So like Sunday is like banana day. The stew is still on fire. It's taking a long time because it's fresh. I actually sliced it, as you saw. I did not blend it this time. I wanted something different. So because of that, it's taking a long time to actually dry and cook properly. But I'm still waiting. I'm not in a rush, okay? I'm waiting. I'll wait till whenever it's ready for me to eat. But I'm very hungry though. It's quite late here. It's around 11:25. So yeah.
Don't give me pepper.
No, it's not
Don't give
pepper.
me pepper.
No pepper. It's fresh tomatoes.
Don't worry.
This for daddy.
This for me.
This is my son. You have prince and princess. What?
We are when
Yeah, this is my prince. This is my princess.
Let me lie down here. I beg. I did not kill somebody. Guys, I just finished eating. I am so tired. So tired. Let me know if I'm the only one that feel more tired after eating. I think they said eating is supposed to make you feel stronger, give you energy. But in my case, whenever I just finish eating, I'm just tired. So I just prefer not to eat until I'm done with everything, because once I eat, I'm done for the whole day. Like for a while though, I'll still get my strength back. But for now, I'm tired. So I think it's about 1:21 p.m. Then I'm just here chilling with baby Renee. She's actually sleeping. I just finished breastfeeding her, and I had my sweet, delicious, fresh tomatoes rice. There was no tin tomatoes in that rice, and that was how I wanted it. I just wanted it sliced and fresh and with fish fried, and guys, it was delicious. Like these days, like the kind of inspirations I've been getting is not your regular kind of soup or food or meal. Been getting some very, very. After eating is just blood tonic. You just sleep. So today is Sunday. I don't know if I told you guys, and this video is going up tomorrow. So I have to start editing now, so I can sleep early. Yesterday I slept around 11:30, almost 12 p.m. or is it a.m. now, Seth? Because of what? YouTube. So I have to start editing this video now. Even if I have the plan of taking the kids out. Yesterday I was supposed to take them out. I didn't take them out. So I have to take them out today. But at the same time, I have to edit this video. So at least even if I'll add the one that I'll take them out, the outing vlog, it won't like be too much, too much of a work. So maybe since I'm just here relaxing, trying to catch my breath and everything, I'll just use the opportunity to just edit, which of course is work. Yes, editing is work. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. In case you have watched up to this extent, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't liked the video, subscribe. Let me know your video suggestion or video ideas you would want to see this vlog in this vlogmas. And yeah. Hey guys, good evening. I literally just woke up and it's about 3:30 and I'm staring at my computer, in case you're wondering why I'm bending my head. I just woke up and decided to check my video because I uploaded a video. My video for today went up around 12 and I didn't have enough time to check it out before I went to bed, so I'm just checking out the video before I spoke to you guys. Baby Renee is even still sleeping. feel so refreshed. I feel much better. I don't know if I told you guys that I don't sleep in the afternoon. These days it's been a miracle. Like yesterday I slept in the afternoon. Was it 2 days ago? Although it's not for long because these kids won't even let me sleep for long. But yesterday, before yesterday, 2 days ago, I slept for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. Today I slept. When was the last time we spoke? Because immediately after we finished speaking, that was when I went to bed, guys. So I think I slept for up to like an hour or 1 hour and some minutes, which is terrific. Like it's wonderful. I'm happy. I want to start sleeping in the afternoon because in the night I realize I don't sleep very early. I think it's because of anxiety or something. I don't know. I just find myself staying awake up late, especially with this vlogmas, trying to edit a video, trying to make sure my video is up before trying to make sure my video is up before I go to bed so I can sleep. If not, I would just find myself being awake. Like this YouTube, not just YouTube, I just think it's the stage I am now because I have a lot of thinking about. Even when I think it's bedtime, my head is not yet asleep. My head still feels that there is a lot of stuff I need to do. But for now, I need to just dress up and take these kids out because, guys, these kids, don't forget, they're going to they've been disturbing me. They're even one of the reasons why I woke up by this time. I'm supposed to have slept till like 4. But they kept opening my room, coming in, coming out, opening my room. Like they deliberately did things. So it shouldn't be like they woke me because they know I'll be so upset. And their dad will be very upset if they wake me because he knows I don't sleep in the afternoon. So I was even surprised I woke up and the AC was on. Because for just the fan I was sleeping with, he put on the AC so I could sleep more. But the kids keep coming in, banging the door, closing it, coming in. So I had to wake up. So let me dress up so I can take them for their outing and rest. After today, I can rest. I can put my head like this and sleep. Because these kids, yeah? Brian has been asking of his Lightning McQueen. Isabel has been asking for what? Because my brother-in-law came back and gave them some money. He gave Brian euros and some naira. He gave Isabel. And they've been disturbing me. And I'm the one in custody of that money, of course. And I've not had peace. I have to go and spend that money so that I'll have peace. I'll talk to you guys when I come back. Let me dress up, freshen up. Then maybe we're going to talk while we're going on our way out or something. Okay? All right. Renee, sit. Let me dress up. You're already looking. You're getting so comfortable with the camera. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.
White and the Queens.
Is that what it's called?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's what it's called?
Yes.
Renee, what are we going to get? Renee? Renee? What are we going to get? I don't remember.
My shoes begging is Elsa toy. But now she's begging for White and the Queen. Hey guys, this is Renee. Renee, say hi. She's so shy.
You think?
Yes.
I'm wearing this shirt and I tuck in this part of the shirt. Okay. This jewelry has my name in case you're wondering. Among the jewelries I got from Amazon has S, my initial Stella. So if I put even when I'm wearing makeup, even like and it's prices makes it you're hungry. Hey, Renee. My bag now falling out. Yeah, open my son. Come close. Yeah. Ryan, come on.
So sit there. No.
Ryan, come here now. Wait. Come. Put it tight. Tell me which one you want.
So happy.
did not plan to come and see me. Hello, bye. Hello.
No, I said don't put your head there. I said don't put your head there.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy. Now this is our motto to enter inside. We are back to go home. Bye bye.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. Oh, I feel so refreshed, and because I had a nap before going, I feel so good. I don't feel very exhausted, not at all. I don't even feel exhausted at all. Anyways, we're back home. It was fun, and I'm thinking I should just drop this thing and start editing, because I know I have quite a lot of footage to edit. It was so fun. Once in a while, it's just good to just take the kids out, even if it's a lot of work taking all of them out, because this one is going to ask for this one is going to ask for that, but once in a while it's always good to take them out. And baby Renee is here. I have to bathe her, bathe myself, then start editing this vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Okay, bye bye.